the guests from overseas, from the Philippines, Australia, from Hong Kong, from United Arab Emirates, from Finland, from Japan, from Germany, an apology from Australia, from America, and from Switzerland. So everyone else were happy about it. And we didn't know that these guests were all over, all corners of the world. It was really a day to remember. We were exhausted after the wedding. We had long sleeping time in the hotel, eating time, so many eating out, eating in everywhere. And the most important thing is the shopping. Oh, the shopping are endless, I'm telling you. Whether original or fake or whatever, or imitation, regardless, they're still nice. We went from one shopping center to another. You cannot really make yourself occupied by shopping every now and then. And the most important thing is the massage. I had about 7 massage, body, Thai massage, and wow, foot massage, foot spa. For 1 hour, and it's very cheap. It was so cheap. It's only $10 for 1 hour. Imagine that. I'm paying $80 for 1 hour in Australia, but this was only $10, 30 baht. So one day after the other, we had the massage. I really enjoyed it. And these friends of mine are saying, "Can we come back?" Okay, as a reunion. Okay, because they enjoyed it so much. Now, the parents of Jane prepared our group tour before and after the wedding. After the wedding, the tour, the holiday tour continued. We went to so many places. First time I was carried by the 2 elephants. My gosh, the big elephants in Pattaya. And they're spiky and they're not really smelly because I saw them that they were being washed by the caretaker. But again, the creativity of the Thai people, I could not imagine. I think Thailand is no longer considered developing. It could be developed because it looks like a developed country. They're so advanced in everything. Even in the airport, they can even do the X-ray in your body. Just place your hands up, everything was there. So everybody was happy about the celebration. And I will show you some photos for you to enjoy. That was the family one with my husband, with my brother and sister and my husband. The groom in the middle. That was the hotel that we had with my husband again. That was the actual ceremony. That's how jolly the priest was, the officiating priest. The family photo. The big cake, I'm telling you, the cake is higher than me. And they were using the Japanese, how is that? Samurai. I was telling my son, what kind of knife is that? Mom, it's not a knife. What is it? Samurai one. It's really real. So they really cut it from the top down, and it took them time. That was really impressive. That was the entourage. But they forgot the big bearers and the flower girls. Those are the the parents and the grandmothers, the godmothers, I would say. That was the mom of Jane and myself. That was my family, only our side, and this is their family side. Most of them are the one from all over the world. It became like, that's why it was dramatic. It became like a reunion for all the family. And that was our tour, the bus tour of 2-decker. That's why it's so modern. It can occupy 50 people. I was really impressed. I thought I was in the hotel again, but moving hotel. It was really nice. Well, my daughter and my husband in the Golden Buddha pointed in the mountain. It was also a nice trip. Myself and my husband and a friend in the temple. And again, the bus, the 2-decker bus. It was really I would say it was really memorable and everybody was happy. Now, so do you agree that church wedding away from home is realistic and achievable? We have some challenges, yes, but we were able to go through with it. They were able to go past. They became focused again. And because of personal flexibility, communication, commitment, there is the personal achievement of success. So I hope I have motivated, encouraged you, my friends. Madam Toastmaster.